Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? This is a very good day for Cardano holders. I think today is a Cardano holders day. This is you can see that the last result, this is just last hour result, and you can check it out. This, oh my god, this is good change, plus 0.08%. Absolutely good, not bad. This is not bad, this is absolutely good. I think this is selling time. This is selling time. If you can check it out, this is this last hour result, and this is absolutely good. Let's check it out, the last 2 hour result, and we then decided to this is buy time or this is selling time. So let's check it out, the last 2 hour result. Okay guys, let's check it out, last 2 hour result. Please subscribe every stick channel for latest updates, for latest news of any kind of currencies. Okay, let's check it out. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely good. This is absolutely good. You can check it out, plus 1.35. This is last 2 hour result. This is the last 2 hour. Absolutely, this is buying, this is selling time. This is selling time, because this is absolutely good time for you can check it out. Let's get check it out 4 hour result. 4 hour result. Cardano, you just buy it, you just sell it. Sorry, you just sell it. This is absolutely good. You can check it out, the result. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm also holder. I am trying to buy it, I am trying to sell it. This time selling time. Absolutely good performance. Today they cross it to US dollar, they cross it, they easily cross this target. I hope they cross it. I hope they cross it. Absolutely good going. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep supporting, keep watching ABS Tech channel for latest updates, for good news. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel and press the bell icon for all new latest updates notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.